Hi children, today I am teaching 4th standard first semester lessons. First we are going to see the index. First lesson, a precious gift. There are 11 lessons are there for 4th standard. So you can see first lesson, a precious gift. Second lesson, I wonder. And third lesson, the fish and the frog. Fourth lesson, who am I? And fifth lesson, a visit to circus. Sixth lesson, what will I be? And the seventh one, the balloon seller. Eighth lesson, have you ever? Ninth lesson, the sleeping beauty. And 10th lesson, a boy climbing tree. 11th lesson, the big house. So first lesson, a precious gift. Before teaching the lesson, first ones will read the picture reading. Picture reading. Look at the following pictures. Can you identify them? Think and tell the same to your teacher. Sita, Mrs. Lakshmi, the boy's leg tied, a boy's leg tied with a tin, a classroom, a bird, Sita taking a gift. Dear children, in the next page you can see grammatical awareness. Proper nouns. So what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places or things. Proper nouns are the particular name of person, place or thing or animals. So a proper noun is always written with a capital letter. So this is very important, you have to keep in your mind, dear children. Proper nouns always written with capital letter. Means if you are going to write the particular name of person, place, thing or animals, then you have to write first letter capital. For example, you can see here names of persons. Ramu is a good boy. Ramu, here R is capital. So because it is a proper noun, particular name of person. The next one, Anjali studies well. Anjali is the proper noun here because it is a particular name of a girl. Naresh is a naughty boy. Naresh is a naughty boy. Here Naresh is a particular name of a person, so it is a proper noun. Lahari is a clever girl. So your proper noun is Lahari because it is a particular name of a girl. And next particular name of places you can see here. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu, and Chennai and Tamil Nadu, these two are proper nouns because these two are the particular name of places. And next sentence, my brother lives in Vijayawada. So here Vijayawada is the particular name of a place, so it is a proper noun. And in the next sentence, India is my country. So here India is the particular name of a country, so it is a proper noun. And Kashmir is the coolest place. Kashmir is the coolest place because here Kashmir is the capital. Kashmir is the proper noun, and it is written with the capital letter because it is proper noun. Next, particular name of animals also proper nouns. For example, tiger is a wild animal. So tiger is the particular name of animal. And in the next sentence, elephant is a big animal. So elephant also proper noun because it is particular name of animal. And children like Pingo, and giraffe is a tall animal. Say here you can see Ramu, Anjali and Lahari, Naresh, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Vijayawada, India, and Kashmir, elephant, and tiger, Pingu, giraffe, all these are proper nouns. Now you can see here proper nouns, that is the particular name of things also. Maruti is the best car in India. So Maruti is here the particular name of a car. My brother rides a Hero cycle. So Hero is the particular name of cycle. Godavari is the longest river in India. So here Godavari is the longest river in India. So Godavari, it is the particular name of a river. So it is proper noun, and Everest is the longest, that is highest peak in the world. So Everest is the highest peak in the world. So Everest, it is proper noun because it is particular name of mountain. Now we can see the first lesson, a precious gift. A precious gift. See, you can read the lesson first. Sita was a little girl. She was 9 years old. She was studying in Ravi Public School. Sita was very anxious to meet her friends after the long summer vacation. Sita, how did you enjoy your vacation, Lalita? Then Lalita said, I went to Delhi on a trip and enjoyed it. What about you, Saranya? She asked to Saranya also. Then Saranya said, I did not go to anywhere, but I went to Sita's house and we both enjoyed it. The school bell rings. Mrs. Lakshmi, good morning, children. Sit down. I am Lakshmi. Children, ma'am, are you our new English teacher? Are you our new English teacher? Children asked her. Then Mrs. Lakshmi said, yes, I love discipline and good children. Every year I select one child and a gift will be given to that child. Then children said, wow, what is the gift for? Then Lalita said, ma'am, is it for writing neatly? Then Lalita said, ma'am, is it for writing neatly? Then Nikhil said, Lalita, you are wrong. It's for good reading. It's for good reading. Then Mrs. Lakshmi said, guess, I will tell you later. Sita goes home and reveals everything to her mother. Next page you can see there. Sita, I can read, write and sing well, mummy, but there are others who can do them better than I. Then mother said, Sita, don't worry. The gift might be for good manners and behavior. Be good and behave properly, and the gift will be yours. Sita was good and well mannered, but sometimes the teacher was angry with her. The next morning, Sita, I will never get the gift, thinking to herself. Suddenly, oh, a puppy with a wounded leg. She takes it to school and gives it to Mrs. Lakshmi. Then Mrs. Lakshmi asked her, where did you find this, Sita? Then Sita said, on the road, ma'am. Mrs. Lakshmi again talked with Sita. First nurse it and put bandage to it, and in a few days it will be ready to live. After a few days, Sita brought the dog to school and it was ready to go. Then Sita asked to Mrs. Lakshmi, ma'am, shall I send it away now? Mrs. Lakshmi said, leave it. As the dog went away, Sita felt very sad. Sita felt very sad. In the next page you can see. A few days later, Sita was going to school. On the way, few children were playing there. Hey, let's tie that mad boy to a tin. They tied him up. Sita was there and she asked her, aren't you have shame to tie that boy's leg to an empty tin? Then Mrs. Lakshmi asked her Sita, Sita, what are you doing here? Sita told, ma'am, those boys have tied up the leg of that boy to this tin and he is crying. Mrs. Lakshmi, come, let's go there. I will untie the boy's leg in just a minute. Sita is very happy. Do you love children, Sita? Mrs. Lakshmi asked. Then Sita told, very much, ma'am. Mrs. Lakshmi again talked with Sita. I have two kids at home. Come and play with them. Mrs. Lakshmi did not speak about Sita's visit to her home anymore, and Sita also did not ask about it. On the last day of the term came. Children, is this the gift? Namya, yes, it is for me. And Sita told, no. You would not get the prize, Saranya told to Sita. You would not get the prize. Sita, don't wish for it. Sita feels very sad. All the children tease Sita. Then Mrs. Lakshmi, the gift goes to Sita, announced. Lalita, what? To Sita? Oh no. Nikhil, why did you give it to for? Why did you give it to her, ma'am? Mrs. Lakshmi said, because I wanted to give the gift to the one who has a helping nature with good behavior and manners. Very well. Sita, come. Sita, come and take it. Sita takes it and opens. Oh, a beautiful toy puppy. From today, I will call her Gypsy. Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. Lakshmi, indeed a good name. Indeed a good name, Sita. Go and show it to your mom. Sita goes home happily with her little toy puppy. And Sita said to her mom, can you guess what happened to me, mom? I have got the prize. I have got the gift. Mom, it's a cute toy puppy that my teacher gave me. I named it Gypsy. Then mother said, didn't I tell you that you would get it, and now you have got it? Then Sita said, Mom, isn't it a very precious gift for me? Mother said, yes, my child. Yes, my child. So here, line by line, I will explain you. Sita was a little girl and she was 9 years old. There was a girl, her name was Sita, and she was 9 years old. She was studying in Ravi Public School. Sita was very anxious to meet her friends after the long summer vacations. So after the long summer vacation, she was very anxious to meet her friends. Sita asked to Lalita, how did you enjoy your vacation, Lalita? Then Lalita said, I went to Delhi. Lalita was on Delhi trip. She went to Delhi on a trip and enjoyed it. What about you, Saranya? Lalita asked to Saranya also, and Saranya told, I did not go to anywhere. Then Saranya told, no, I did not go anywhere, but I went to Sita's house and we both enjoyed the holidays, Saranya told. And at this time the school bell rings. Mrs. Lakshmi came. The new English teacher came into the classroom and she introduced herself. Good morning, children, sit down. I am Lakshmi. Children also told, ma'am, are you our new English teacher? They asked. Children asked, ma'am, are you our new English teacher? Then Mrs. Lakshmi told, yes, I am your new English teacher. I love discipline and good children. Every year I select one child and a gift will be given to that child, Mrs. Lakshmi said. Every year I am going to select a good that child, and to that child a gift will be given at the last day of this term, she said. Then children, wow, what is the gift for? They asked her what is the gift for that. Then Lalita told, ma'am, is it for writing? For what purpose you are going to gift that children asked her, what is the gift for? Then Lalita said, ma'am, is it for writing neatly? For what purpose means is it for writing neatly? Asked Lalita. Then Nikhil, again he told to Lalita, Lalita, you are wrong. It's for good reading. According to Nikhil, the gift for good reading, he told. Then Mrs. Lakshmi, guess, I will tell you later. Guess, children, I will tell you later, she said. Then Sita goes home and she reveals everything to her mother. Reveals everything to her mother means she said what had happened and which is the new class, new English teacher. Uh, Everything she said to mother. Then Sita told to mother, I can read, write, and sing well, mummy. But there are others who can do them better than I. Mummy, I can read well. I can read, I can write, I can sing also. But many are there, they will do better than I. All this, they can read, they can write, they can sing better than me, she told. Then that mother told to Sita, Sita, you don't get worry. The gift might be for good manners and good behavior. So just you be good and behave yourself properly, and the finally gift will be yours. Mother told. Then Sita was good. Actually, Sita was good and well mannered, but sometimes the teacher was getting angry with Sita. So this was the fact. And the next morning, I will never get the gift. Sita, I will never get the gift. Thinking to herself, means on the school. Sita was going on this Sita was going to school. On the way, she was thinking herself that I will never get that precious gift. Suddenly, what happened? A puppy dog with a wounded leg came on the across the road, and oh, that surprise! Sita surprised her, huh? And she exclaimed with surprise, "Oh, a puppy! Oh, a puppy with a wounded leg!" She takes it to school to give and gives it to Mrs. Lakshmi. She took that puppy and gave to Mrs. Lakshmi, her new English teacher. Then Mrs. Lakshmi, where did you find this Sita? Where did you find this Sita? Then Sita told, on the road, ma'am. Then Mrs. Lakshmi said, first nurse it, treat it, and put bandage on the wounded leg to it. And in a few days it will be ready to live from here. After a few days, first of all, Sita nursed the dog, and after a few days, Sita brought the dog to school, and actually it is ready to live. It was ready to live. The dog was ready to live because the wound was cured. Then Sita asked Mrs. Lakshmi, ma'am, shall I send it away now? Mrs. Lakshmi, leave it. And Mrs. Lakshmi said, leave it. As the dog went away, Sita felt very sad. Then next, after a few days, what happened? After a few days later, Sita was going to school. On the way, the children were playing on the road beside there, and they told, "Hey, let's tie that mad boy to a tin." They tied him up. Sita was observing this one while going to school after a few days. And she told the children, aren't you have shame to tie the boy's leg to an empty tin? asked. Aren't you have shame to tie the boy's leg to an empty tin? She asked. Mrs. Lakshmi also was there and she asked to Sita, Sita, what are you doing here? Sita told, Ma'am, those boys have tied up the leg of that boy to this tin, and he is crying. Ma'am, the boys tied up the leg of that boy to this tin, she said to Mrs. Lakshmi. And also she said, the boy is crying, said. Then Mrs. Lakshmi, come, let's go there. I will untie the boy's leg in just a minute. In just a minute. I will untie. I will remove that tin, she said, Mrs. Lakshmi, and both went towards that boy. Sita is very happy. Do you love children, Sita? Mrs. Lakshmi asked to Sita, do you love children? Then Sita told, very much. Yes, ma'am, I love very much the children, she told. Then Mrs. Lakshmi, I have two kids at home and come and play with them. She told, okay, Sita, you have to come to our home and you have to play with our kids. Then Mrs. Lakshmi did not speak about Sita's visit to her home anymore, and Sita also did not ask about it. On the last day of the term came, and that time children were waiting for the gift and they were thinking, is this the gift? Children asked around the table. The gift was there and they were asking. That time Namya told, yes, it is for me. Then Namya told, yes, it is for me. Then Sita told, no. That time Saranya interfered and suddenly she told, you would not get the prize, Sita. Don't wish for it. She said to Sita, Sita, you would not get the precious gift. Huh? So you don't wish for it. Sita feels very sad. All the children tease her. All the children were teasing her. Then Mrs. Lakshmi came at that time into the classroom, the new English teacher. That was the last day of the term, and she announced the gift to whom it will be going. The gift goes to Sita, she announced. Mrs. Lakshmi announced the gift goes to Sita. Lalita, that time, exclaimed with wonder and she said, what? To Sita? Oh no. Then Nikhil also asked, why did you give it to her, ma'am? Give me the reason. Then Mrs. Lakshmi gave reason. Then Mrs. Lakshmi told that to all the children, I have selected Sita as a good girl. Why? Because I wanted to give the gift to the one who has a helping nature with good behavior and manners. Very well. So I have selected Sita as a good girl. She is having, she has already helping nature, and she is good. She is having good behavior and good manners. Very well. Sita, come and take it. She announced and called in front of the class. Sita then called Sita to in front of the class and gave that gift. Sita takes it and opens. Sita took the gift and opened there only. Oh, a beautiful toy puppy. A toy puppy was there in the gift, in that precious gift. A toy puppy was the precious gift. From today I will call her Gypsy. She kept a name also. That Sita kept a name to that toy puppy as Gypsy. Thank you, ma'am. She thanked her ma'am also for giving that precious gift to her. Then Mrs. Lakshmi, indeed a good name. Yes, Gypsy, it is a good name. You kept a good name also, Sita. Go and show it to your mom. Sita, take and go that toy puppy and show to your mom, she said. Then Sita goes home happily with her little toy puppy. And Sita, when reached home, that time she asked to mother, Can you guess what happened to me, mom, today? I have got the gift, mom. It's a cute toy puppy that my teacher gave me. I named it Gypsy, she said. Ma'am, a new English teacher was there now. Our new English teacher, she has selected me as a good child, and she has given me that precious gift as that toy puppy, and I named it Gypsy. She told everything what had happened in the classroom, huh? And how she got the prize. Everything she told to mother, and mother told, "Don't I tell you? Didn't I tell you that you would get it, and now you have got it?" She told, "Didn't I tell you before?" "Yes, I told you before only, and you get now that one." Then Sita said, "Mom, isn't it a very precious gift for me? Mom, isn't it a precious gift for me?" "Yes, my child. Actually, it is a precious gift for you." So, the finally Sita got the precious gift. So here the lesson completed. I hope you can understand. I hope you have understood this lesson. Children, now we are going to see the glossary words, and here listening and speaking activity is there that you can try at home. Glossary words and their meanings you can check it out. Vacation means holidays, precious means most valuable. Wailing means a long loud cry. Cute means attractive. Tease means irritate. Reveal means make known. Anxious means eager to know. Bandage means type of cloth, strip of cloth. Discipline means order maintained. Proper means suitable or appropriate. Next you can see the question answers here. First answer the following questions. What did Mrs. Lakshmi, the teacher, promise to give? The new English teacher promised to give a precious gift to the child, one who she was selecting for them. What did Sita tell to her mother? Sita told about her to her mother about her new English teacher, and she was selecting a child, and a precious gift will be given to that child. Everything she told to her mother. Was the sure of getting the gift? Was she sure of getting gift? No, she was not sure of getting the gift. Third one, whom did Sita find on the road? Sita find a toy puppy, a puppy on the road. Sita found a puppy with a wounded leg found on the road. What did she do? She nursed it, and she put the bandage on the wounded leg, and she made ready to live. Sita saw a boy with a tin tied to his leg. What did she do? She asked the children, and she shouted to the children why they are not getting shame or not. She asked who had actually tied a tin to the boy's leg. Children tied a tin to the boy's leg. Finally, who got the precious gift? Finally, Sita got the precious gift. Why did the teacher give it to her? Because Sita was well mannered, good behaviored girl. So the teacher has given to Sita. What was the gift given by the teacher? A toy puppy was the gift given by the teacher. Did Sita like it? Yes, Sita liked it very much. Now watch and match. You can see the festival celebrated. Watch and match. First one, the festival celebrated on 25th December, that is E, Christmas. Second one, the famous Indian epics C, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Indian capital, New Delhi, D. Fourth one, the longest river, B, the Ganges. The wisest king, A, Solomon. Then fill and drill. January is the first of the year. January is you have to put the proper nouns here. Proper nouns, particular name, person, place, or thing. You have to mention here. Then dash is the name of your place. Your place name you have to write native place, and children. Children's Day comes in the month of November. November 14, Children's Day. So you have to write there in the month of November. And dash is an actor I really admire. To whom you are admire, that actor name you have to write here. Fourth one, and fifth one is dash is the last day of the week. Last day of the week. Last day, that is which one you have to write. Week, Sunday, Monday. Sunday, from Sunday only it will start. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday you have to write. Then here pick and take. The Pacific is the longest ocean. William Wordsworth is a famous poet. So Pacific is the proper noun here. Just you take out. William Wordsworth also that is the particular name of a poet. Tick. New York and America. New York is the largest city in America. New York and America proper nouns. Tick them. And Rontgen discovered X-rays. So Rontgen and X-rays. So these two you can tick there. Rontgen and X-rays. The Thar is the largest desert in India. So Thar and India both are proper nouns. You just tick them. I went to Hyderabad to see the Charminar. Hyderabad and Charminar. So here proper nouns, particular name of places. You can Charminar is the particular name of thing. You have to underline, just tick them because these two are proper nouns, Hyderabad and Charminar. And whale is a sea animal. Just tick the whale, proper noun. The earth is proper noun. So tick them. And take my help, family members here. So look at the following pictures of family tree. Identify the relation. Write the same in the space provided. See, take my help. The first one is done for you. You can see in the next page here, take my help. Table given here. Old man's name, Mr. Sharma. Young man's name, Mr. Suman. And boy's name Anand, dog's name Bannu, cat's name Pinky. So old woman's name Mrs. Vijaya and young woman's name Mrs. Lakshmi, girl's name Anusha, parrot's name Talking Beauty, and cycle Hero. So you have to fill all these 10 fill in the blanks by using take my help table. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video.